I think I burnt my toast. Morning, another day in Malibu. I feel like I'm just living the dream right here. I'm on vacation with my family right now, and I thought it was time to do another what I eat in a day. Haven't done one yet in 2020. I know you guys keep commenting to film more, so guys, this is what I'm eating. How do I get the lights on in the kitchen here?
They're on the counter, I think.
Lights. Ah, that's the carburetor. Wait, where are the lights in here?
On the side of the counter.
Oh, let there be light. Okay, so you guys know I have a toast obsession. Actually, this probably makes more sense to put you guys there. Toast is just, you know, my favorite food. Can't do me wrong. Dave's Killer Bread is the absolute best. It is readily available here in California, whereas back home it's a bit more tricky to find. It's just, I say this all the time and you guys make fun of me, but it's a very gluten-y bread. Like, it's got like a lot of chew to it, and I'm gonna tear up just thinking about it. It's that good. I think I have some leftover avocado. Ooh, a little cherry tomatoes. I'm debating if I should do maybe like one sweet toast and one savory. Yeah, that just feels right. Okay, so I'm gonna take these two slices, just pop them in the toaster oven. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly don't really know how to use the toaster oven. Mom, did you find that taking the tray out made it better or worse? Like, should I just put it raw? Okay, we're gonna experiment. Let's hope for the best. So it's actually been super nice. I was here originally for a work trip, and then my parents were down here vacationing, and I was able to extend my trip. So I'm kind of taking a week off to relax, which has truly just been so good. I feel like, you know, it's so easy to get caught up in the busyness and the hustle of life that I'm like, you know, Jaclyn, it's okay to just take a week off and do nothing, which is literally exactly what I've been doing, and it's been so nice here. There really just is something about Malibu. It's just like, it's nostalgic for me. It's just, I just love it here. It's my place, you know? Anyways, I also am filming a vlog from this trip, so I think, I don't know which one will be up first. If it's out, I'll put it up above so you can check out the actual vlog and see what I got up to. I was actually here on a makeup trip, and then, yeah, just a little bit of vacation in, you know, business and pleasure. It was a little bit of both. So if you guys want to see more of a peek into my life and what I got up to, go watch that. But if you're just here for the bread, I don't blame you. Love toast. I love toast. So this is my criticism about the toaster oven, is that I feel like it takes 8 times longer than my Smeg toaster, which, if you've seen my other videos, I have a love affair with my Smeg toaster, and I just think it toasts bread so well. Ah! I think I burnt my toast. How the heck do you... This feels not right. Oh, she crispy. Oh, okay. Wow, actually looks pretty good. Sorry for criticizing you. And now for the star of the show, peanut butter. Now, I picked out a crunchy peanut butter. You know, I go back and forth. I'm not someone with an extreme, you know, divisive preference, but I feel like it really does divide the nation. Are you a crunchy or smooth peanut butter person? My only checklist is that it's natural peanut butter. I like absolutely must have natural peanut butter with like nothing else inside. I just find now when I eat like more of the traditional like Kraft sugary peanut butter, it just tastes like Reese's peanut butter cup filling to me. It's just way too sweet. I prefer just the ground up peanut. You know what I'm saying? So I just have a half a banana here. I'm just gonna pop that on. The surface area of the Dave's Killer Bread is also just absolutely insane. They're a big toast. Oh no, jeez, I failed. Oh, I really measured that wrong. Wow. Okay, now for the best part, when you add all the little toppings. Now, normally I'm like a hemp seed addict. I just love them on top of any open faced toast. So I would normally do that, but I don't have any here. So I'm just gonna do some freshly ground pepper on there, some salt. Okay, now normally on my avocado toast, I do like to do some type of acid, so normally like squeeze a lemon on top. Lately I've been doing like this homemade hot sauce, which is so good. I don't have any of those here. I'm gonna do an apple cider vinegar, which I think will work basically the same if my inner food scientist brain is working correctly. Now, do they have cinnamon here? It's a sin to do a peanut butter banana toast without cinnamon. Nothing? No. Why is there so much paprika? Who uses 8 things of paprika? Okay, no cinnamon, but I'm gonna do everything but the bagel on this toast. That'll work, I'll take it. So this is breakfast. I've already chugged like a liter of water. I find whenever I travel, I'm like extra dehydrated. So I'm gonna go outside. It's actually like a really overcast day outside, but you know what? I don't go to a beach often, so I'm gonna embrace it. Yes. The tide is super high. I've been actually jogging on the beach every day, but the tide is literally hitting the house right now, so I don't think my morning beach jog will be happening. Let me show you. The water is literally up to the house. Whoa, bathroom. Oh, I'm doing this all wrong. I always end with my sweet toast. I would eat my savory first. Who am I? These waves are absolutely huge. Oh my god. I swear every other morning we've been like seeing dolphins and sea lions, and it's been like the most picturesque, beautiful, sunny day. And then today, the one day when I go to film this, it's like a dark, overcast storm. The apple cider vinegar were good, actually. Could really use some cinnamon. Wow. Incredible. Okay, well, I'm gonna go hop in the shower now, get ready for the day. Hopefully the sun decides to come out at some point too. Oh my god, look at them! Oh my god, there's so many! Look at them all! They're pretty close, eh? This is always the test. Did the braids come out cool? Or is it just gonna be frizzy? Oh, baby! I think we can make it work. All their vegan yogurt options. Wow, I love me an American Whole Foods. Okay, I'm definitely getting the smoked Gouda. For any of my Canadian viewers, this is actually called Earth Island back home, but it's called Follow Your Heart here in the States, which I don't know why, but their cheeses are so good. Now I'm debating if I should get the Just Egg. I've heard so many people talk about it. It's like an egg replacer. Just looks really interesting. My only thing is I don't know if I'll be able to use it up in time before I go, so I don't want to be wasteful, even though I want to buy every single thing here. Dying because I've always wanted to try the Kite Hill cream cheeses and this cream cheese, but again, I just don't think I'll be able to use it up in time. So I'm trying to be rational here, okay? So I was trying to resist the salad bar at Whole Foods. It just always gets me, and then I end up just buying a $30 salad because I put too much in it. And I was doing really good, I really was. But then I saw a pile of roasted beets in the salad bar, and I was like, you know what? It's gotta happen. So here I am. I got a salad. Health is wealth. Okay, we just did some smoothie bowl runs. I ended up just getting a smoothie instead, but my mama's gonna do the classic smoothie bowl. I actually went with the chocolate peanut butter one. Okay, so I pretty much downed that smoothie as we were driving back. Here's a salad that I got from Whole Foods. So like I said, there's a ton of beets underneath there because I just was so drawn to them. I was like, I need to eat that. And I'm gonna put on balsamic dressing. I also put in some quinoa in there. There's a bit of tofu, an eggplant, and some kale underneath. Let's dive in. And don't worry, all the plastic is compostable. So good. I think they actually use hemp milk in this, which I don't think I've ever actually had like a glass of hemp milk before, but it's so good. Sometimes all you need is a good old salad, you know? Something about roasted beets, like I can't explain it, like I crave them.
It's good, but
like unreal.
No, it's good, but it's like, yeah.
Why don't you feel the same way about beets
I'm
that
not
I do?
Passionate. Like it's good. It's not that it's not good. Like I'd rather do the eggplant.
Really? Like eggplant is good, but roasted beets? It's like the texture, it's the... So we've just been hot tubbing and kind of lounging around. I'm gonna have one of these salted caramel turtles. These things are so good. It's like this raw vegan company that do a bunch of different desserts. And I swear these are like the perfect blend of dates, pecans, caramelly, chocolatey goodness. They're unreal, truly unreal. Going in. They're so good. So we're having a little barbecue tonight. We've got some vegan Beyond Meat sausages over here. I get questions all the time if my whole family is vegan. They are not. We have some obviously non-vegan real sausages there as well. But I always say, I think the best way is to like lead by example. And if I'm eating a plant-based sausage and then a meat eater asks, hey, can I try it? And then like I share it with them. And then they end up liking it rather than just like shoving it down other people's throats. So I always try to be open-minded and I always try to like not pass judgment. I was once a non-vegan. So that's kind of my take on it. I try to be the most not annoying vegan as possible. But my dad's really awesome. He's got separate tools for the meat and separate tools for the plant-based. And yeah, there's room for everyone. That's what I always like to say. Also, the sun is setting right now. It is so, so beautiful. We just missed it for the vlog. But it's super fun. I have a bunch of friends over tonight. We're gonna be having a little barbecue and feasting and playing video games, doing all the things. Yeah, probably for another 5 minutes. Oh, awesome.
That's
Like
Billy
to
Ray
be
Cyrus. Who's that?
Stop Billy Ray Cyrus. It's Keith Urban. Okay, guys, we're diving into the food to finish off the what I eat in a day. We've got some chips and guac, as demonstrated by Tori.
Pretty good. They're great. What is this?
We got a feast. We've got some asparagus, there's mushrooms, gonna be tearing those up. I love me some asparagus. We got a little salad, and then here are the Beyond sausages. I am the biggest fan of Beyond Meat, so Beyond Meat, if you're watching this, would love to do an ad read. Let's email down below. So here is the feast for tonight. We're gonna watch the Grammys. Can you believe?
You're not vegan.
Harrison is not.
I'm too lazy to do that.
Yeah.
It's just so much effort.
No, he doesn't understand it. It's not necessarily more effort. You can buy like frozen vegan nugs.
I order so much takeout all the time.
Get up on the clock.
Me too, I'm a takeout.
We don't have Postmates though, which is annoying because I feel like I would really be improved by that.
Yeah.
You need the sauces.
Digging in.
It's really good. Wow. It's shocking what the food scientists can do. Okay, so it is the end of a very fun day. It was so much fun just to see my friends, have everyone over, and you know, just snacking. We were gaming, doing all the things. I'm trying to think, did I get everything on camera that I ate? The review is that the Beyond Meat sausages, I think they were the spicy Italian ones. They were so good, I really liked them. And yeah, dinner was just all around incredible. I also ended up having 2 clementines as well. I was just kind of sitting on the couch snacking. We were playing all these Jackbox TV games. I don't know if you guys have ever played them before, but they're so much fun, and we were just like laughing and just having the best time. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up the What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me down below in the comments, because I'm always going through there and reading your suggestions and basically just following your suggestions. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, do all the things, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!